Hello, Usman. Shake your hand. Okay, attention, please. Now salute. Very good. What is your name?
My name is Ma.
Oh, don't touch the table. Attention, stand attention. Your name is Usman? Huh? How are you, Usman?
I am fine.
Oh, very good. You are fine. Okay. What is your mother name?
My name
Yes. What is your mother name?
My name is Vinny.
Huh? Please speak loudly. What is your mother name?
My name is Vinny.
Ah, okay. And what is your father name?
My name is Olivia.
Ah, mashallah. Are you feeling better? Are you feeling better today? No. Okay. Okay, salute and go, please. Salute and go. Yes, very good. Okay, go. Thank you, Usman. Thank you very much.